Hi, hello. Good morning. Is this good for all? I think not all good, right? Some good, some is not good. So guys, we know that what going on here in Hungary. So now here in Hungary, they have now a new prime minister, and I have many who read about the posted in vlogs about the new. There are some of them are just worried, and some was asking what's going on for the foreign worker, what's going on now for Asian people, what's going on now us, what's going on for the Filipinos. So not only for Filipinos, for all of us who working here in Hungary, right? So, for almost 16 years, that one person who sit down, now change. This is change already. Voting on Sunday and Monday. Monday have the result that they have now a new prime minister. So which is Peter Mangyar, the new prime minister here in Hungary. So guys, I'm not living here, right? I'm just here to work. So for 16 years, I don't know what's going on her in their country, but now they have now hoping. That's why people now, the local Hungarian, choose to the new prime minister, right? That's why he won, because he chose that. They just hoping for hope, for the people who live here, as the Hungarian people hoping for new life, for no new changing, new and the new, everyone must be good. They just have that hoping, and they just believe that Peter will be gonna change and make that change for their country. So guys, I have only posted it because I have many read and heard about what's happening. So only this I show you guys. So I show you this saying that sabi nila bagong leader, pero para ba talaga sa tao? Ang tanong, protektado pa ba ang karapatan nating mga dayuhan dito? For me, this very good questions. This very good question. It's saying that new leader. But this is for it says, pero para ba talaga sa tao? This is good, a new leader? This is for a human being? And the question is, are we protecting as a foreign worker? So this questions really is very good question. You know why? Uh, because as of us, we know that many Asian people, not only Asian people, Europe people that go somewhere, go out on their own country to work. We go out to our own country and work to other country. And of course, as like me as a OFW, as a foreign worker to work to other country, that yes, are protecting, are we are safe, or we just come here to work and we are not unsafe, uh, not protecting, not we are not protecting, because we just only have work, have contract, and but guys, what's going on here now in Hungary, that they have now on and change a new leader, a new prime minister on their country. Guys, we not be worried about it. We must be happy that they have now their new prime minister. Because people is hoping, they have that hope. So they are hoping for new challenge, for new changes, for good, and they have that hope. Really, they hope that very deeply hoping that uh, what will be changed after 16 years. So guys, uh, I watching vlog too that have local say this and have Asian say this, that maybe we are now going through, maybe we are now kicking out, maybe you just now sent home. No guys, for my own understanding, Peter just want only just like limit the foreign worker coming in. So you just want to limit getting outside country and come here. So because he wanted that, And I understand too, because they are now going crowded. They are now going many coming Asian people work here on their country. So Peter want he just want come back here the people. It means come back the her own people. It means the local Hungarian, he wanted that come back here and work here in our country. This is our country. Stay here and work. So he just want people, the Hungarian people, stay here and work in their own country. So he want stop, or the quota must be limit. And he just want now to make it strict to getting a foreign worker. And I read too that he wanted that lower the taxes and increase the salary. So that's a good thing too, right, guys, for all of us as foreign working here in the country. So I'm hoping too that have good change or whatever happened in this. Is saying too that a renewal, a new contract is not easy. Going strict, everything going strict, right? So for me, I'm 1 year working here, so I don't know what's gonna going on really. So I'm not really worried about that. I'm just be positive in my mind. I just be just happy and enjoy when I'm here. We must be happy that we are the one that uh, come here, because many some wishing that they hoping that they come here in their country. I'm just happy that I am experiencing here in their country. I'm happy that I am the one of a foreign worker that come here and work and experience people and encounter people and work here and what have there in their country. So I have good memories here too. So I'm happy that I'm here. So for everyone now outside in the country, don't or lose your hope that you can come here and work here. So guys, be positive. It's just gonna be pray for what's gonna going on here, and we just be positive, guys. And for what fake news or what gonna be happening yet, because we don't know yet. Only Prime Minister knows what he wanted to us. But you know, guys, we still we still blessed, but we still blessed that we're still here in work. We have just life here. Not same for other, yes, not so very high salary, but you know, we still have lucky, blessed, because some of people wanted to come, want to work, so we still blessed. So this is only my opinion for myself. This is only what in myself. I'm not saying what I read or what. This is only in my side, saying. So we knows that many now vlog, many now news coming in, but guys, we don't know yet what going on. So just be positive and enjoy our life here. And because life is so short, guys, must be enjoy. And we're not good getting younger, we're getting older. So just be positive, and we will just be happy for the new prime minister here. We're just be gonna be happy for the Hungarian people that they have now hoping that for good. And I believe too that he can a good leader in their own country, guys. So I'm not um I'm not saying this because while I'm just look in social media. So good luck to both of us what's going on, but all I understand again that we're still safe, because we're not getting kuka, we're not getting in throwing away and send back our home, because we still have contract here, and they just only want to strike and limit the quota. That's all, guys, and they just want to a new changes. So that changes not for bad. Changes, I believe that changes is for good, right? So be just positive and just be blessed that we are blessed that we still here in their country and still have work, because as a foreign OFW is not easy, because we don't know where we're going again, where we are again. So be positive, guys. Thank you, and good luck to us.